In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a refund from Shopify subscriptions. Now, typically, Shopify doesn't issue refunds. However, there are exceptions and rare cases like double charges, billing errors, or fraudulent transactions. So guys, if you fall underneath any of those situations, what you would need to do is you would need to go ahead and call this number right over here. It is 844-982-1186. This is the Shopify customer support, and you want to explain to them the situation and you want to see if they're able to go ahead and help you out. Again, if you got like double charge or you got a billing error or you had a fraudulent transaction, I first recommend contacting the Shopify customer support. You guys could also access the help.shopify.com account just like so, and you want to go ahead and explain your situation in detail, and then from there it is going to walk you through the next steps. Another thing that you guys could do is you could dispute it with your bank. Now, I sort of consider this as a last resort, but if Shopify won't issue you a refund and you firmly believe the charge is unfair, for example, you never used the service or it was unauthorized, you can contact your bank/credit card provider and then you can file a chargeback. But beware, because Shopify may suspend or block your account if you file a chargeback. So again, just be very careful and do it at your own risk. And in general, you always want to make sure that you close your Shopify store. So in general, you just want to make sure that you close your Shopify store for good if you no longer want to actually pay for anything or anything like that. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.